Students, let's discuss exercise 3.7 7th Roman. Solve the following pair of linear equations. So the first question is px plus qy equal to p minus q is the first equation, and the second equation is qx minus py equal to p plus q. Okay, here the numerical coefficients contains variables. Okay, so it is totally different from other sums, but we are going to follow the same methods only. Okay, so let's discuss the question. So we can take the first equation, at the same time see the second equation is qx minus py equal to p plus q. Okay, here I am going to use elimination method because the given equations are in general form of linear equations. Okay, so here see this coefficient of y is q and coefficient of y is p. Okay, if we multiply it by p here, will be get pq. Then the second equation, if we multiply by q, will be get pq. So easily we can eliminate these two terms. Okay, then listen, adding equations 1 and 2 because their signs are different. So I am going to add here. So first equation multiply by p. If you multiply by p means will be get p square x plus pqy equal to the right hand side also should multiply by p. So p square and minus pq. In the second equation we need to multiply by q. If we multiply by q will be get q square x minus pqy equal to pq plus q square. Then see this plus pqy minus pqy will be cancelled. So the remaining p square x plus q square x equal to p square plus q square. Why? Because minus pq and plus pq will be cancelled. Then see this here which is common, x is common, so take outside, then the remaining p square plus q square, and the right hand side is also p square plus q square. So you know that how to find out the value of x, we need to transpose this p square and q square to the right hand side. If we transpose, will be get p square plus q square divided by p square plus q square. So these two will be cancelled. So remaining will get 1. Next substitute x is equal to 1 in equation 1. Okay, so you know that what is equation 1? Equation 1 is px plus qy equal to p minus q. Then substitute p equal to 1. Okay, then if you transpose to right hand side to p, you will be get p minus q minus p. So minus p plus p will be cancelled. So remaining minus q. Okay, then this q transpose to right hand side. Then you will be get y equal to minus q divided by q. Then the value of y is minus 1. So therefore the value of x is 1 and the value of y equal to minus 1. Students, I hope you all understood this concept. Students, let's discuss exercise 3.7 7th Roman second subdivision. So the question is ax plus by equal to c. This is first equation, and the second equation is bx plus ay equal to 1 plus c. Okay, these two are the equation. Actually, here we need to find out the values of x and y. So before we need to check the given equations are in general form of the quadratic equation or not. Okay, so we know very well these two equations are in general form of the quadratic equations. Okay, so here I am going to elimination method to find the solution. Here I am going to subtract these two equations because the two variables are contain positive sign only. Here I am going to eliminate y. Okay, so see there the variables are different. Sorry, their coefficients are different. So if I multiply by a here, I will be get aby. If I multiply by b here, I will be get aby. Okay, then I will be get equal terms. Okay, so that only here also I'm going to do that 1 multiplied by a is a square x plus aby equal to ac, and the second equation I'm going to multiply by b, then we'll be get b square x plus aby equal to b plus bc. Here we need to subtract. If we subtract means we need to change the sign. Okay, if we change the sign, what will happen? Here the sign is negative. Okay, here also the sign will be negative sign, and here also the negative sign. So that means see this plus aby and minus aby will be cancelled. Then remaining a square x minus b square x. Okay, a square x minus b square x. For these two here, which is common, x is common, so I took outside x is equal to ac minus bc minus b. Then the next step, c here c is common, so take outside, so remaining a minus b and minus b. Actually here we need to find the value of x, so x is equal to c of a minus b, then this one transposed to right side, so a square minus b square. Here we found the value of x. Next we need to find out the value of y. Okay, so this value we need to substitute in this equation 1. First equation is ax plus by equal to c. Okay, so we know the x value, so substitute here c of minus ab, a minus b, then divided by a square minus b square plus by equal to c. Okay, then multiply by c and a into c is ac, then ac if you multiplied here you will be get ac, and here also a into b, ab multiply by a with b, so divided by a square minus b square plus by equal to c. Okay, actually here we need to find out the value of y, so this whole term transpose to right hand side. So if we transpose to right hand side, will be get ac of a minus b minus ab divided by a square b square. Okay, next we need to subtract these two. Here the denominator is 1, but this term contains the denominator as a square minus b square, so we need to take LCM. Okay, if we take LCM, the LCM is a square minus b square, so multiply by a square into c, a square c, b squares b square into c minus b square c, then again multiply ac into a, so minus a square c, again multiply by minus abc, then multiply by minus into minus plus ab. Then here see this, here which are the common terms, that means like terms. So we know that a square c and minus a square c, these two are like terms, at the same time that their signs are different, so we can eliminate these two because a square c minus a square c will be 0. Then what about remaining abc minus b square c plus ab divided by a square minus b square. Okay, then see here, here which is common, bc is common, so take outside bc, then remaining a minus b plus ab and divided by a square minus b square, or here itself you can take b is a common. Okay, you can take outside. Then the next step, see here, b is common, so here I took b outside, so remaining c of a minus b plus a. Okay, then divided by, here we need to find out the value of y, so this b transposed to right hand side, so b of a square minus b square. Okay, then the next step, y equal to c of a minus b, because here minus b will be cancelled because b is common, so minus b and minus b will be cancelled, so remaining c of a minus b plus a divided by a square minus b square. Here b is common, for that purpose only I divided these two, b divided by b is 1. Okay, I hope you all understood this one, but should not simplify here b b a. Okay, should not simplify like this. If you are taking commonly outside, or if the terms are in product, okay, that time only we can simplify, or we can divide, or else we cannot simplify. Okay, students, so I hope you all understood this sum. Students, let's discuss exercise 3.7 7th Roman, third subdivision. So the question is x minus x divided by a minus y divided by b equal to 0. So this is first equation. Second equation is ax plus by equal to a square plus b square. And see the first equation. First equation contains the denominator as a and b. So first we need to remove these two. Okay, then only we can find out the solutions without difficulties. Okay, so take the first equation, x divided by a minus y divided by b equal to 0. Okay, actually these two are called x divided by a, y divided by b, these two are called intercepts. Okay, so first we need to subtract these two. Okay, and see the denominators are different, so we need to take LCM. So what is the LCM? A and b is ab, so directly should not take to the right hand side. Okay, if the denominator is common, you can take right hand side, or otherwise first is simplify, then after you transpose the denominator to the right hand side, that is right way. So ab, then multiply by b, bx minus ay, then if we transpose ab to the right hand side, will be get bx minus ay equal to 0. So that is the first equation. The second equation already we know that, that is in general form. So ax plus by equal to a square plus b square. Okay, now I am going to apply elimination method to find the values of x and y. So here I am going to add these two because the signs are different. So first equation we need to multiply by b on both sides. So b into b, b square x minus aby equal to 0. 0 multiplied by anything is 0. And the second equation is ax plus by. If you multiply by a square x plus aby equal to a cube plus ab square. Okay, so here we need to add these two. If we added these two, see here, minus aby plus aby will be cancelled. So these two will be cancelled. So remaining b square x plus a square x is equal to a cube plus ab square. This is not to ab square. Okay, then x is common, take outside, b square plus a square equal to a is common, take outside, so a of a square plus b square. Then see here, a square plus b square, a square plus b square transpose to right hand side, so these two will be cancel. So remaining x is equal to a. We found the value of x. Next we need to find out the value of y. Substitute x is equal to a in equation 1. So we know that what is the equation 1? Bx minus ay equal to 0. So substitute a. So ab minus ay equal to 0. So ab transpose to right hand side, or minus ay transpose to right hand side. If we transpose to right hand side plus ay. So will we get ay equal to ab. So here except y, our remaining a is there. This transpose to right hand side. So y divided by ab by a. So a will be cancelled. Then y equal to b. So we found the solutions a and b. Students, let's discuss exercise 3.7, 7th Roman, 4th sum. The question is a minus b of x plus a plus b of y equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square. This is first equation, and the second equation is a plus b of x plus y equal to a square plus b square. So already we know that first we need to check whether the given equations are in general form of linear equation. So the first equation is general form, but the second equation is not in general form. So first we need to convert into general form. How to convert into general form? First to multiply these two, a plus b into x. Okay, this a plus b first you multiply by x. Next this a plus b again you multiply by y. So a plus b into y equal to a square plus b square. So see this, the coefficient of x is a plus b and coefficient of y also a plus b. So we converted into general form. Okay, next we need to find out the values of x and y. To find the value of x and y, here I am going to use elimination method. Okay, see this, because the coefficient of y a plus b in second equation, in first equation coefficient of y is a plus b, so easily we can eliminate these two. Okay, here I am going to subtract these two. If we subtract, we need to change their sign. Okay, if we change the sign, what will happen here? The sign is negative. Here also the sign will be negative, negative sign and then negative sign. So see this, these two terms will be cancelled. So what is remaining? A minus bx minus of a plus b into x equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square, then minus of a square plus b square. I took minus as common. Okay, then here which is common? X is common, take outside. So remaining a minus b minus a, then multiply by minus minus b into x equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square, then minus a square minus b square. Okay, then here say this, that minus a and plus a will be cancelled. So remaining minus b is there. So if we added these two, will be get minus 2bx equal to, here 2b is common, take outside minus 2b, so remaining a plus b. So except this a, except this x, remaining these two transpose to right hand side, then only you can find out the value of x. X is equal to minus 2b of a plus b divided by minus 2b. Here minus 2b will be cancelled, so remaining a plus b. So we found the value of x. Next we need to find out the value of y. So substitute x is equal to a plus b in equation 1. So we know that what is equation 1? A minus b into x plus a plus b into y equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square is equation 1. Substitute x value a plus b plus a plus by equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square. Okay, then a minus b into a plus b, you know the identity. So the identity is a square minus b square plus a plus b into y equal to a square minus 2ab and minus b square. Okay, the step, transpose this a square minus b square to the right hand side, so we'll be get minus a square plus b square. So here see this, which are like terms, plus a square and minus a square will be cancelled, plus a square and minus a square will be cancelled. These are like terms and their signs are different. Here also minus b square and plus b square will be cancelled. Then what is remaining? Minus 2ab. So therefore y equal to minus 2ab divided by a plus b. We found the value of x and y. Here they are given that some variables. Okay, but that is very easy to find. I hope you all understood this sum.